Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am hyped because I'm going to show you the ultimate, most streamlined way to get started on Binance. If you didn't know, Binance is the absolute king of crypto exchanges, and I'm going to make sure you get in there with zero friction. But wait, before we even touch the keyboard, you have to check the link in the description or the pinned comment below. If you use this link, you're actually going to receive a 20% spot discount and a 20% futures kickback. That's a double bonus that most people totally miss out on. Go ahead and click that link and let's get you set up and ready to trade together step by step. All right, phase one is the sign up. After you hit that link, you're at the registration hub. You can roll with your email or your mobile, whatever is easier for you. Drop your email in there, hit the terms and conditions box at the bottom and click continue. Now, stay alert because a 6-digit code is coming straight to your phone or inbox. Punch that code in as soon as you get it. Click continue. Next, we need a password. Remember, we're talking about your money here, so make it a strong one, at least 8 characters, 1 number, and 1 big uppercase letter. Once you hit enter, your account is officially born. If you see an inviter code box, just make sure it's filled out so you don't leave that $600 reward on the table. Easy money, right? Next up is the KYC identity verification. You've got to do this if you want to move money and start trading for real. Since it involves a facial scan, it is way smoother to finish this on the Binance mobile app. So grab your phone, download the app, and log in. It'll take you straight to the verification screen. Confirm where you're from, and then pick your ID. Driver's license, passport, national ID, whatever you've got on you works. Select take pictures, hit continue, and snap a clean photo of the front and back of your ID. Then just put your face in the oval frame on the screen and follow the prompts. To wrap it up, confirm your additional personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and home address, then click continue. After that, select your occupation and click continue again. Lastly, choose your industry category and click continue one final time. The review process normally takes around 5 minutes, and after approval, you can confirm that your KYC verification has been completed successfully from your profile screen inside the Binance app. Last step, we've got to lock this account down with 2FA, two-factor authentication. Trust me, you want this security. Head back to your PC, go to Account, then Security, and find the Authenticator app. Click Manage and then Enable. They'll send a quick verification code to your phone or email. Type it in to see the QR code. Now grab your phone and open up the Google Authenticator app. Hit Get Started, then Use without signing in and tap Add a code. Scan that QR code on your PC screen and boom, you'll see a 6-digit code for Binance popping up on your phone. Head back to the Binance screen, click Next, enter those 6 numbers from your app, and click Submit. You are now officially locked and loaded. And that is how it's done. You are now fully set up on the world's biggest exchange and ready to start making moves. If this video helped you get started, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content.